welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thank you all for joining me once again for this week's CVS deals video. We have some good deals going on this week. Just make sure you're scanning the products on your app to see what CRTs or coupons are attaching. That way you can save more. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And let's go find some deals. My first deal is on Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two Colgate Optic White Stain Fighter or you can pick up the Max Fresh. It depends on what you want. Both will total $7.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop you down to $4.98 and you get $3 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next oral care deal I have will be on Crest toothpaste or 1 liter scope mouthwash. They're on sale for $4.99 and when you buy 3, you get $4 back. Pick up 3 of the toothpaste. I'm showing the toothpaste because my store is all out of the mouthwash. Picking 3 up will total $14.97. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.97 and you get 5 back, making them just $4.97 or $1.66 each. My next deal is on Garnier Facial Care and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back. Pick up 2 of the eye makeup remover pads priced at $7.79 each and both will total $15.58. Use the $2 digital coupon and I also have a 2 off 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $11.58 and you get 5 back, making them just $6.58 or $3.29 each. Covergirl is on buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 Covergirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each and both will total $11.58. We have a 4 off Covergirl digital coupon and we also have a $2 off Covergirl eye digital coupon. With the $2 off, make sure you're scanning your product because sometimes it doesn't attach and sometimes it doesn't come off at the register. But if it does work for you, this will be your breakdown. The $4 and the $2 will take off 6, dropping it down to $5.58 and you get 5 back, making them just 58 cents or 29 cents each. And if you have a 10 off 70, this will be a good filler item. My next deal is spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care. Pick up 2 Hydro Boost cleansing towelettes priced at $8.49 each and 1 makeup remover towelette priced at $7.79. These 3 will total $24.77. That's within the 98% rule for the spend 25. We have 2 coupons in our app that will help with this deal. One is a 3 off 2 that we've had for a while if you have not used yours. And on Sunday, we received a $2 off. That's $5 right there. I have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena facial care CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off 10 and drop it down to $14.77 and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to Care Club Rewards for $5 visual Visa prepaid card when you spend 20 and these 3 items will end up free and 23 cents moneymaker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Clairol hair color. Pick up the Root Touch Up priced at $10.49 and pick up the permanent natural looking color priced at $10.49. And these 2 will total $20.98. We have the 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $14.98 and you get 5 back. Then you can submit your receipt to Shopkick for 710 kicks for each box. That's why you're picking up 2 different boxes because there are 2 different rebates. The 10 kicks is when you scan it in the store and the 700 kicks is when you submit your receipt. You will get back 1,420 kicks, which is equivalent to $5.68. After that rebate back, these 2 will end up costing just $4.30 or $2.15 each. My next deal is on Garnier Fructis Hair Care. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 of the leave-in conditioners priced at $4.99 each and both will total $9.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $3.98 or or $1.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $2 back on any Suave hair care. I have 2 options with this deal, but it's a limit of 1, so you have to pick one. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $4.49. That means the first one will be full price and the second one will be $2.25. These two will total $6.74. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.74, and you get 2 back, making them just $3.74 or $1.87 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Suave Essential at buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $3.19. The second one will be $1.60. These two will total $4.79. The $1 off coupon we have in our app is not attaching to this. That means you will pay the $4.79 and you get 2 back, which will make them just $2.79 or $1.40 each. Another easy deal we have this week will be on Dove hair care. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.19 each. These two will total $10.38. I have a 2 off 2 Dove coupon from Unilever email that you can use with this deal if you have it. That will drop it down to $8.38 and you get 5 back, making them just $3.38 or $1.69 each. My next deal is on Pantene shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. And this includes the 10.4 to 12.6 ounces. Pick up 2, pay the $10 and get $4 back, making them just $6 or $3 each. All CVS Beauty or Blade disposable razors are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and the cheapest they have at my store is priced at $3.19. Pick up 2, pay the $3.19, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each pack. That will be $3 back from Ibotta, which will end up making them just 19 cents or 10 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get 2 back on soft soap, liquid hand soap, and 3-pack Irish Spring bar soap. I will start with the soft soap and I will also explain the Irish Spring. They're on sale for $2.49. Pick up 2 of the soft soap hand soap. Both will total $4.98. I have 2 50-cent coupon I got from softsoap.com. That will take off $1 and drop it down to $3.98, and you get 2 back, and it will make them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The second option is to pick up 2 of the 3-pack Irish Spring bar soap on sale for $2.49. These 2 will total $4.98. I don't have any coupon for them. You pay the $4.98 and you get 2 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. This week, Axe body wash is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2. One will be $6.49 and the second one will be $3.25. Both will total $9.74. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.74 and you get 2 back, which will make them just $1.74 or 87 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back on Nivea products. Pick up 2 of the men's body wash priced at $6.29 each, and 1 women body wash priced at $7.49. These 3 will total $20.07. We have a $2 off Nivea body wash coupon in our app, and if you have the 11/17 savings set, you can use the 5 off 2 Nivea body wash coupon. That will take off $7 and drop it down to $13.07, and you get 10 back, making them just $3.07 or $1.02 each. The next deal I have will make a very good filler item for a 10 off 70 if you need to complete that deal, and that's on Gillette shave foam. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. The first one will be $3.98 and the second one will be $1.95. These 2 will total $5.84. Pay that and get $3 back, making them just $2.84 or $1.42 each. The next deal is on Centrum vitamin. They are part of spend 15 get 5 bag. Pick up the Centrum Men priced at $15.49. That's the one I can find that is close to $15. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.49 and you get 5 back, making it just $7.49. Boost nutritional drinks are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 4, you get $10 back. Pick up 4 and they are priced at $11.99. That means 2 will be full price and the other 2 will be $6 each. The 4 packs will total $35.98. We have a $4 digital coupon. In 1110 savings sets, we have $4 coupons as well. Use 3 plus the one we have in our app. That will take off $16, dropping it down to $19.98, and you get 10 back, making all 4 packs just $9.98 or $2.50 each. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on the 1 liter Pedialyte for babies and children. They're on sale for $6.99. Pick up 2. Both will total $13.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, which will drop it down to $10.98 for both, or just $5.49 each. The next deal I have will be on Airwick. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 3 back, and you can do this deal different ways, but it's a limit of 1. If you just want a free item or a filler item, you can pick up the plug-in warmer on sale for $4. Use the $4 digital coupon and that will make it free. If you want to do the deal, pick up 2 of the warmers. Both will total $8 because they're on sale for $4 each. Use the $4 digital coupon that will drop it down to 4. You pay the 4 and get $3 back, making them just $1 or 50 cents each. Or you can pick up 1 plug-in warmer and 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit on sale for $11.99. These 2 will total $15.99. Use the $4 digital coupon for the plug-in warmer and the $6 digital coupon for the Essential Mist Starter Kit. That will take off $10, dropping it down to $5.99, and you get $3 back, making both just $2.99 or $1.50 each. Another easy deal we have this week, and it's not giving back any extra care box, but it will come out cheap. That will be on the 28 ounces Ajax dish liquid. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and they are priced at $4.19. Pick up 2. We have a $1 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.19. Pay that and it will make each one just $1.60. The next deal I have is on 20 to 32.5 ounce Palmolive dish soap and 28.7 ounce Suavitel. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. This deal is a limit of 1, but I'll give you 2 examples in case you want to pick up Palmolive or you want to pick up the Suavitel. Starting with the Palmolive, it's priced at $4.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.50. These 2 will total $7.49. We have a $1 off digital coupon, and if you go to palmolive.com, you can print out a 75 cents coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $1.75, dropping it down to $5.74, and you get 2 back, making them just $3.74 or $1.87 each. If you want to pick up the Suavitel, this will be your breakdown. Pick up 2. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first one will be $3.59 and the second one will be $1.80. Both will total $5.39. Pay that and get $2 back, and that will make both of them just $3.39 or $1.70 each. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 back. This deal is a limit of 1, but I have 2 options for it. Pick up the small Tide detergent on sale for $6.99. 2 120 count bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99. 1 Downy rinse and refresh on sale for $6.99, and a U by Kotex liner priced at $2.29, and this is just a filler item to help me get to $30. These 5 items will total $30.25, and I have 3 paper coupons for this deal. 2 are for the bounce dryer sheets, $1 off on each one, and the third one is $1 off for the Downy rinse and refresh. I don't have any coupon for the U by Kotex. For the Tide detergent, we have a $1 digital coupon. The 3 coupons and the digital coupon will take off $4, which will drop it down to $26.25, and you get 10 back, making them just $16.25 or $3.25 each. The second option I have for the spend 30 get 10 is to pick up the Scott Bath tissue, that's the 12 rolls, on sale for $9.99, and also pick up the Comfort Plus bath tissue on sale for $9.99. The third item you need to complete this deal, my store don't have it, and that will be the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. These three items will total $32.97. We have a 2 off 2 Scott digital coupon, and we also have a $3 Tide digital coupon. That will take off $5 and drop it down to $27.97, and you get 10 back, making all three just $17.97 or $5.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.